Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to convert Samsung side-by-side fridge and freezer. So let's check it out. We are using the latest Samsung side-by-side fridge model, but some of these steps could be applicable for other type Samsung fridge models too, as long as the control panel inside the fridge looks similar. On this model, we have 5 different modes: normal, seasonal, vacation, extra fridge and home alone. We will see them one by one now. First one is the normal mode. This is the default one with the left side as the freezer and the right side as the fridge. We can use the control panel inside the fridge to change the temperature. So this is how the control panel looks. We can use the circle button to navigate from freezer to fridge, and we can use these arrow symbols to change the values. We can adjust them accordingly, and we can use the circle option again to confirm it. That's all. According to your location and the type of food you have, you can increase and decrease the temperature here. Second one is seasonal. So here the freezer section will be turned off. We will only have the fridge section working. We can prefer this if we don't need the freezer at all, like we don't store any food here or we don't need any ice cubes. We can do this. So to do this, we have to go to the freezer setting and we have to select this arrow symbol till we get -15. Then we have to select this again and again. Now we will get the off option. Now we have to press the circle to confirm it. That's all. Now the freezer is off. Third one is vacation. Here the freezer section will be on, but the fridge section will be turned off. This is helpful when we are going for a vacation. We can keep the important essential stuff in the freezer compartment alone so that it will be safe till we come home. So to do this, we have to go to the fridge setting and then we have to go to 7 and we have to keep pressing it. After this, we have to use this arrow. Then we will get this umbrella icon here, that means vacation. Now we can select the circle to confirm this. That's all. Suppose if we want to go back to the defaults, we can use the circle option and go to fridge or freezer and we can keep our desired value here. That's all. Fourth one is extra fridge. Here we will convert the freezer section into fridge. So both the left side and right side compartment will act as fridge. We can do this when we need a big area for storing our food, like during a festival or party. So here we have to go to the freezer setting and we have to use this arrow symbol. Go to -15. Then go again. We will get this water drop symbol here. So that means now the freezer is fridge. We can use the circle to confirm. That's all. Now both the freezer and fridge will act as fridge. And the fifth one is home alone. Here we will convert the freezer section into fridge and the fridge section will be turned off. This comes handy when we have limited food and we don't want to use the full capacity of the fridge. We can save energy using this. To do this, first we are going to turn off the fridge. We are going to fridge setting. Use this arrow and go to this umbrella symbol. Now it is turned off. Now we can go to the freezer setting. Use this arrow, -15, then press again. We will get this water drop symbol. That means now it is fridge. That's all. These are the steps to convert Samsung side-by-side fridge and freezer. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.